This is the Garvey AC that I just got for this room, and it comes with all this start guide and instruction. So this is a quick installation guide and how to do it if you want to do it in the window, and it will let you know if the window opens like this or opens like that. In this case, we have a big window, so we're going to need another accessory for that. But I just wanted to show you really quick with what it comes. So it comes with this one. This one as well will connect to the unit. And also it comes with this remote and this other screws. And with the remote, of course, you can control the settings of this. So this is how it looks. And let me see, it doesn't have any batteries, but then you can put the batteries. They use AAA batteries. And also it comes with, this is the one that you put on the window. And over here it says, first insert the vent panel fully and then slide for locking. After that, this is the unit itself. This is the cord to plug it in. So look how long it is. And this is also the tube that expands for the AC. So it comes with all that. And then over here, if we get closer, we're going to be able to see the buttons. So it has the timer, the speed, the swing, the sleep mode, and all the other modes. So it has a fan option over here that I want to show you. This is the fan option, and you can move it up and down. So you can direct the air. And also, I believe that is to drain the plug and place the container empty. So for the water, I'm assuming. And also over here, another thing is that it has another plug-in in the bottom. So let me see. There we go. So it has this one, and it also has this drain. And then these filters, you can just remove them like this just to see what's going on over there very easily. And this other one as well, and you can clean them easily. So they come out for you to clean them and keep them clean and everything. So that's really good. And over here, you can just to keep it. So if you want to just have a better control of the cord, it has this over here to keep it organized. And you can just put the plug-in right here. So that's really good if you want to store it or if you want to move it into another room. It's nice to have that option. This is the energy guide. So it's estimated yearly energy cost. So $70 is the cost of range of similar models and 6.2 combined energy efficiency ratio. So what we're going to do, this is everything that comes with it. And we're just going to go ahead and install it and put it all together. And let me see. We're just going to put it over here. So we're going to go ahead and read what's going on. So the first thing we're going to do is we're just going to turn it around. And here is where we're going to connect pieces. So these pieces together are the ones that are going to be connected. So these two pieces together, and we are going to put it here. So we're just going to move this because we're going to need to plug it in. And then what we're going to do is this one goes in this. That was easy. And then this one has this entry, and that's where we're going to install it. So it's like this, and it has those entries, and we are going to install it. Let me just make sure that I'm installing it in the right way. And this is, there you go, until it clicks and is installed right there. And then we can install this one as well on the other side. Coming. Ay, no ma. This is how it looks. And then we are gonna, technically, I'm gonna have to edit this a lot. So technically in this window, we're gonna put this, and it comes with this, but This window is too big, so we cannot install it. It has to be like this. Now we connected the AC into the window. We have this type of French door windows that they don't open up and down, so we cannot use the other attachment that they recommend, which is this kind. And also this is not tall enough for it to be sustained, so we had to improvise with this other attachment. However, now it's connected over here, and let's see how the AC works. We turn it on. Power, cool, sleep. You can do more or less over here. You can do the swing. You can do the timer if you just want to put how much time you want this to be. So the timer, and then you got it, and then the speed low or high. Ooh. So you can see, but this is the air up or down, and then you do the swing, and then you can do the sleep as well. And the sleep will make it quieter, so that way it's not too crazy and that you cannot sleep. And also it has the cool, the dry, and only the fan as well. Do you want to do that? So we're going to leave it in the cool, and then this is the power, and these will let you know when the source of water and stuff is full, so you can drain it. And so it's perfect for a little room like this, and that way it will keep the room fresh and nice. So perfect. I hope this video was helpful.